Do you know many people are now using AI to make money? What if you could make money with AI tools without having to be a tech expert or spend hours learning complicated systems? In 2026, AI isn't just for tech professionals, it's for anyone looking to earn money in a smart, efficient way. From video creation to automation, AI opens up a world of opportunities for making money fast. In today's video, we'll show you 8 exciting ways to make money with AI tools and how you can start earning right away. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or full-time gig, AI offers countless opportunities. 1. AI video localization. Let's kick things off with AI video localization, a game changer for content creators. Platforms like HeyGen and 11 Labs are making it easier than ever to translate and lip-sync videos into multiple languages. Think about it, global reach without refilming. As YouTubers, vloggers, and educators continue to grow their audiences, they need to speak to viewers in different languages. Instead of hiring expensive translators or voice actors, they can turn to you for quick, affordable video localization. By helping creators take their content worldwide, you can charge a fee based on the language, video length, or project scope. This method requires minimal technical expertise but can lead to a steady stream of income if you build relationships with creators. As the world becomes more interconnected, multilingual content will continue to be in high demand, making this an ideal income opportunity. 2. Custom GPT development. Want to build your own AI product? You don't need to be a coding expert to create specialized chatbots and virtual assistants using OpenAI GPT. Small businesses are eager to streamline their processes, and GPT-powered tools can help them do just that. For example, you could develop a legal document assistant for real estate agents or chatbot that helps local businesses answer common customer inquiries. These businesses are willing to pay for tools that can save them time and resources. By offering AI chatbot development as a service, you're not just selling software, you're offering a productivity boost that small businesses can't live without. The best part: once your tool is built, it can continue to generate income without much ongoing work. With the rising demand for AI-powered automation, this is an opportunity that can keep growing as businesses continue to embrace new technology. 3. AI-enhanced copywriting. AI tools like Jasper and Copy.ai aren't just for generating generic text. They can be used to create high-converting sales pages, landing pages, and email sequences by analyzing top-performing ads and identifying what works. As a copywriter, you're not just churning out content, you're crafting persuasive, results-driven copy that converts. The AI helps you analyze data, so you're delivering what the clients really want: increased sales. If you're already a writer or marketer, these tools can supercharge your productivity and allow you to charge premium rates for your copy. The demand for high-conversion copy is immense, especially as businesses seek to get ahead in the competitive online market. As long as you can combine AI's efficiency with your creative touch, this is one of the most scalable passive income opportunities available. 4. B2B lead generation automation. If you're looking for a business model that has long-term earning potential, B2B lead generation could be perfect for you. With tools like Instantly.ai or Apollo.io, you can automate the process of lead generation by scraping websites, verifying email addresses, and sending personalized outreach emails on behalf of businesses. In today's competitive market, generating high-quality leads quickly is vital for sales teams, and automation makes that process much more efficient. Once set up, these tools can run 24/7, ensuring that businesses are always gathering high-quality leads, whether they are awake or asleep. By offering this automation as a service, you can help businesses scale their marketing efforts without the need for a large in-house team. After your initial setup, your ongoing work will be focused on optimizing the outreach, ensuring the AI remains accurate, and helping your clients close the deals. Because lead generation is such a crucial part of business success, companies are always willing to pay for services that provide them with high-quality prospects. Whether it's a one-time setup fee or an ongoing subscription, B2B lead generation automation can generate steady, reliable income. The best part: as long as the leads continue to convert, you can keep building on this passive income stream and scale it over time. 5. AI stock image curation. Are you creative at heart? AI tools like Midjourney allow you to generate hyper-realistic stock images in specific niches, whether it's business tech imagery or diverse lifestyle shots. The best part: you can sell these images on stock photo websites like Adobe Stock and earn royalties every time someone downloads your work. Unlike traditional photographers, you don't need to deal with location shoots or complex editing. You simply use AI to create the images, upload them, and collect the income. With businesses and marketers needing unique, on-brand visuals for their campaigns, the demand for high-quality stock images is booming. This is a fantastic opportunity for creatives to make passive income without much ongoing effort. 6. Prompt engineering as a service. Many companies suffer from AI fatigue, not knowing how to fully utilize AI tools to streamline their workflows. That's where you come in. By offering prompt engineering as a service, you can help businesses integrate AI into their daily operations. The idea is simple. You create and sell prompt libraries that allow businesses to use AI more effectively, such as writing prompts for AI-powered content tools or coding assistants. Whether you're consulting with teams on how to use AI or selling pre-made prompts, the demand for this service is huge. If you understand how AI works, especially in tools like ChatGPT, you can become a go-to expert for companies looking to improve their productivity. This service is perfect for those who want to tap into the growing AI space without building a technical product themselves. 7. Automated faceless YouTube channels. If you've dreamed of starting a YouTube channel but don't want to be on camera, an automated faceless YouTube channel might be your ideal solution. Using AI tools like InVideo AI and Pictory, you can create and edit videos on any niche, from daily facts to product reviews. You can then monetize through ads and Amazon Associates without ever needing to appear on screen. This model has become increasingly popular as content creators realize they can provide value without putting their faces in front of a camera. Once you've set up your channel and optimize your videos, they can continue to generate income for you passively. You'll need to invest time into research and content creation, but the rewards are long-term, especially if you hit on a profitable niche. 8. AI podcast show notes and repurposing. As podcasting continues to rise in popularity, content creators are always looking for ways to repurpose their episodes into multiple formats. This is where AI podcast show notes and repurposing services come into play. Tools like CastMagic can help you instantly turn a 1-hour podcast into multiple pieces of content, such as blog posts, social media snippets, and tweets. Podcasters are often busy focusing on new content, so they pay a premium for this service, which saves them time and effort. By offering podcast repurposing, you're not only helping podcasters but also tapping into a lucrative niche that continues to grow. You can offer your services to anyone from influencers to businesses with their own podcasts. Repurposing podcast content is highly valued because it allows podcasters to expand their reach and grow their audience without additional effort on their part. Whether it's creating a blog from a podcast episode or posting social media content, your service provides invaluable support to podcasters. The beauty of this business is that once you've set up the process and built relationships with podcasters, the work becomes easier over time. With AI doing much of the heavy lifting, you can offer this service at scale while earning passive income. As you can see, AI isn't just about technology, it's an incredible opportunity to create income streams that work for you. Whether you're using AI for content creation, lead generation, or even curating images, there are countless ways to make money passively with the right tools and strategies. The key is to find the right fit for your skills, put in the effort upfront, and then let AI take care of the heavy lifting. By tapping into these growing industries, you can create long-term income with minimal ongoing effort. So, which AI-driven opportunity are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable tips on how to harness AI and start making money today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.